What is past life regression? Past life regression uses a number of methods to encourage the mind to draw back the veil of separation between our subconscious, which remembers earlier parts of our existence, and our conscious mind. Hypnosis is the main instrument used. However, meditation, dream analysis, and journaling all support and link into it too. The journey back to early incarnations of our soul illuminates our personality and character traits much more brightly and brings about the potential for healing emotionally. In her book, Past Life Regression, A Guide for Practitioners, Mary Lee LeBay offers the following idea. To illustrate, imagine that you have amnesia. You cannot remember anything that happened to you before you were 21 years of age. What would you know about yourself? How could you understand your relationships with other people? What would you know about your personality traits, the origins of your health issues, the basis for your choice of occupation, or the source of your knowledge and wisdom? Without substantiating evidence, it is difficult to truly know yourself. Expand that example to a bigger picture of the soul. Only by obtaining information about your previous lifetimes can you gain full knowledge of your character, your personality, your purpose, your overall progress, and nature of your soul. So beautifully summed up, the idea that our birth is no longer the beginning of our existence, merely a transition to a new phase, not so different to puberty or menopause. It gives us a new perception of the soul's life pattern. Going back into past lives, what is interesting is just as we carry personality traits through this life, many of the same characteristics pervade our souls for each incarnation. Just as we grow and change gradually in our present bodies and minds, we have opportunities to do the same for our existence. We're given the chance to learn new possibilities and life lessons, but for many of us, this growth may be more than we can handle in one incarnation, and the soul may have to wait until its next chance to learn it. So we can potentially identify patterns of behavior emerging in those people we are close to, but sometimes they have, or they're harder to see on our own. On the other hand, certain patterns may be more obvious. So for example, a propensity to shy away from success just as we're about to make a breakthrough, drawn to a particular person that might not be sort of good for us. Or potentially there might be a cycle we keep repeating. Often regression highlights these reasons for these cycles, or potentially highlights the reasons and potentially give us ways of breaking it.